Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about the previous year questions of Corporate Accounting 2, which is from University of Madras in April 2016 in part B. This question is from a Liquidation of Companies chapter. Let me read the question. Vijay Limited went into liquidation with the following liabilities. Security creditors rupees 30,000, in bracket securities realized rupees 35,000, preferential creditors 700, unsecured creditors rupees 40,500, liquidators expenses are rupees 352. He is entitled to a remuneration of 4% on the amounts realized, in bracket including securities with creditors, and 2% on the amount distributed to unsecured creditors. The various assets realized rupees 36,000. Prepare the liquidator's final statement of account. Based on the information, we have to find out the liquidator's remuneration as well liquidator's final statement also. First, look at the note. 4% on the assets realized and securities realized, and 2% on preferential creditors and on amount available to unsecured creditors. First, we have to find out the calculation of liquidators remuneration on assets realized. 36,000 multiply with 4 divided by 100, we get 1,440. Securities realized 35,000 multiply with 4 divided by 100, we get 1,400. And also preferential creditors 700 multiply with 2 divided by 100, we get 14. The total amounts are 2,854. Then we have to find out the working note for a calculation of amount available to unsecured creditor and remuneration on available amount of unsecured creditors. First, we have to mention the receipts. Under the receipts, assets realized rupees 36,000, securities realized rupees 35,000. These are the things are total receipts. We have to add those amount, we get 71,000, that is called the total receipts. Then we have to mention as less. After that, we have to mention the payments. Under the payments, liquidators remuneration on assets realized 1,440. We have already found it. And liquidators remuneration on securities realized 1,400. That is also we have already found. Liquidators remuneration on preferential creditors rupees 14. That is also we have already found. Liquidators expenses 352 is from the question. Secured creditors 30,000 is also from the question. Preferential creditors rupees 700 is also from the question. These are the things are payments. We have to add all these amounts. We get 33,906. That is called the total payments. Then we have to find out the amount available to unsecured creditor. Creditors are total receipts minus total payments. It means 71,000 minus 33,906. We get 37,094. That is called the amount available to unsecured creditors. But in this concept, the amount available to unsecured creditor is less than the actual amount of unsecured creditor. Therefore, it is called a shortage. If it is shortage, the liquidator's remuneration percentage will be mentioned in the denominator with 100 as well. It means 37,096 multiply with 2 divided by 102, we get 727.33. That is called the liquidator's remuneration on amount available to unsecured creditor. Then we have to find out the calculation of liquidator final statement. That statement must be in the ledger format. In the debit side, we have to mention as receipts, and in the credit side, we have to mention as payments. So under the debit side, 2 assets realized 36,000, 2 securities realized 35,000, and go to the payment side by liquidators remuneration. Under the liquidators remuneration, 4% assets realized 1440, 4% securities realized 1400, 2% preferential creditors 14, and 2% on amount available to unsecured creditors is 727.33. These are the things we have already found. The total liquidators remunerations are 3581.33, and by liquidators expenses 352, by secured creditors 30,000, by preferential creditors 700. These are the things are from the question. After that we have to find the difference value, which is in the credit side. The amount is rupees 36,367. That is called balance of unsecured creditors. That's all.